How to use Homebase step-by-step guide for local business scheduling. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Homebase, the perfect tool for scheduling. Schedule, manage, pay, all from one application. Now you don't have to go to PayPal or Stripe to set up payments and open up Calendly for calendar invites and more. Everything can be simplified using this all-in-one tool. So what is this tool? Well, it's Homebase. Homebase is a scheduling tool that does it all. So if you're starting out your business, you are easily able to manage everything in a really easy way. You can take back your time and end your scheduling chaos. Not only that, but they also include different features including time clocks, timesheets, payroll, hiring and onboarding, team communications, employee happiness, which is not a feature you're going to find in a lot of other tools, HR, integrations, and mobile apps. So let's get started. To get started with Homebase, simply click on Get Started for free, and once you do, you will see over here we have our Homebase onboarding. So you have two options if you are an employee joining a team or if you're setting up your new business. So we're going to click on Set Up a New Business over here, and we are going to enter our name. We're going to add Lily Davis, and we're just going to click on Continue. Once we do that, we can choose what we are looking at Homebase for. So I am currently running payroll. And what is your business called? Our business is called Spencer. And then we can add our zip code. We can add M1J3N3. And this is going to be, let's say this is a personal care business and we only have one location. And now moving on towards our final step, which is going to be to sign up via our email address. So I'm just going to put on my mailbox and then a suitable password and then a phone number. Continue with our information. Okay, so the Lily Davis or the Midge Maisel, that's the Midge Maisel. And now we can continue to our Homebase account. Now, the best part about using Homebase is that you can get started with your 14-day free trial. You don't have to worry about anything. The first step is to get your payroll set up. So you can do a quick setup and you can upload information. We are going to skip this part because we do not want to set up payroll as of yet. And we are going to, I don't have my form handy, and let's get started. So first off, we have payroll, which we are going to skip. And we're going to finish all this later and directly move on towards the Homebase application. So this is what Homebase looks like. We have this quick start guide, and on the left we will have our menu bar. This includes your dashboard, schedule, timesheets, payroll, team, productivity, HR center, reports, hiring, and settings. So you're going to find all of the basic settings on the left side of your screen in your menu bar. And below that, you can just collapse this if you want. So you have these little, you have your icons. Now you can go into schedule on the left and you will see your open shifts, team members, and employees. So you can click on add employees and add members individually. If you want, you can also add your members in bulk or import from other platforms. I'm just going to enter this manually. Let's say it's just Kate. I'm not gonna invite her. I'm going to add her as a nail artist, and let's say her hourly wage is $12, and I'm just going to be adding her as a employee, and I'm adding her as a team member. And just like that, our team member has been added, and you can add as many team members as you want, and you can add their wages step by step. So after that, we are going to move towards our next step. So whenever you add a team member, you can add their roster. You can go into team on the left and you can go into the payroll information, direct bank deposit, so you can add their banks and directly deposit their wages over there. And you can split their direct deposits as well. You can also choose to directly start the process of termination from Homebase. Homebase makes it really easy for you to manage your business in a professional way. Now in your schedule, you will also see open shifts. So you can click on departments and roles and you can build different departments and roles, set up your team's availability and your own availability as well. Let's say Kate does not work on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays. So let's say I can just click on add, and let's say she is available from 9 to 6 on Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday and Monday, but she doesn't come on these 3 days. So just like that, we can add the availability of each individual team member as well as ourselves. So let's say I'm available throughout the whole day and you can, book me whenever, but maybe I'm not. I can block out time for that as well. And below that, you also have your availability. You can add that by yourself and you can notify your manager if you have one. You can clear this and clear your approved availability if your schedule does changes. Now, below that, you have your timesheet, so you can click on Set up my time clock to start creating your own timesheets with their phone or with a shared device as well. Below that, you have your payroll tools, including a basic system to join on. Now, currently, this hasn't been launched. This is something that is experimental in the US, so it is something that you have to be approved for. Now, below that, you can also manage time off in your team section as well as set up your new hire onboarding. So you can set up your onboarding process for new agents. Below that, you have your productivity management tools. So this includes a manager log and a task manager. If your team needs to do something within a certain time period, you can add that under tasks and use the task manager as all of the pending things that need to be completed in your business. So you can buy the task manager and proceed. Below that, you have your HR center. This is not going to be available for all employees. Instead, it's going to be a tool which can help your team basically complain or build SOPs. So you can go into HR Center here, and your HR Center, obviously, for a one-person team is going to not have a lot of information. Below that, you have detailed reporting tools, including scheduled as well as actual hours, and the total difference, the on-time rate, and more. And you have your hiring section, which allows you to start job postings, and then your general business settings. So for your business management, you have, your basic defaults. The best part is that you get the basic version of Homebase for free. Essentials starts at only $24 and the Plus plan starts at $56. The all-in-one starts at $96. And I personally do think that the Essentials plan is amazing. As long as you add the payroll add-on, I think it's going to solve you so many hassles and so much time. I cannot tell you guys how much time I have spent on my own trying to do payroll manually, and it's just never as efficient as if you had, used a tool that can automate all of it for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have, and it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like, and if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, so make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.